yesterday. Yeah, tell me guys if you were able to take this trade yesterday. Yeah, tell me if you were able to take this trade yesterday, guys. Yeah, so this trade we were able to take yesterday, you can see. And you can see this was my first touch here. Maybe I can just do it. This was my first touch here. Then this was my second touch here. Then boom, I was able to get my third touch in the market. I was able to get the third touch in the market, and that's how I was able to take this trade. But I was able to take this entry on a lower time frame. I was able to take this trade on a lower time frame. You can see, you see this. It closed like a doji. That's when I was able to enter this trade. Then boom. Then again, this market was able to go to where? To where our trend line is. You see where our trend line is, guys? That's what I've been telling you guys. I've been telling you guys that the market structure works. So I told you this market, I'm gonna be taking my TP where? I'm gonna be taking my TP where? When it touches the upper trend line. And that's why and that's how I was able to exit that trade of mine. When the market was able to touch my upper trend line. Yeah. And people have been using it for a while. People have been using it for a while to exit the market. So it acts as your exit point in the market. It acts as your exit point in the market. I think, guys. So it actually works well. So here, if you had missed an entry buy, then you had an opportunity here. You had an opportunity. You had an opportunity to sell here. But you're gonna sell it on a 15-minute time frame. I think. So this now was now your entry sell, you can see. This is now your entry sell. It's kind of like a shooting star. It was kind of like a shooting star, you can see. It was kind of like a shooting star, you can see. Yeah, it was kind of like a shooting star, but that was the entry sell. Yeah. So this market was trying to give us an entry again here. This market was trying to give us an entry where to come again here to form like an M pattern. But the market didn't came to our entry again. But right now, what I'm expecting this market is to what I'm expecting this market is to go down because the mission is accomplished already. So back to where? Back to where our support is. That's what you do, guys. I think that's how you draw this thing. Back to our support, guys. Back to our support. I think, yeah, back to our support where we are anticipating to buy again. So so that's what I've been telling you. Like the goal about this trading is just wait. Then if you can get an opportunity like this, then it's done. It's done. It's just for you uh to trade only. That's why I've been telling you guys like most of the times, trading is 90% waiting, 10% execution. 90% waiting, 10% execution. I think guys, yeah, 90% waiting and 10% of execution. Yeah, and it has really worked well. And it has really worked well if you go with that mindset. But back before, I used to just to buy anytime. I used to go to the grocery, look for entries, trade, look for entries, trade. But I was not following any plan. I think I was not following any plan until until when I was able to get my plan. And my plan is this trend line. Like it's just simple like that, guys. It's just simple like this. Like you just wait for the first touch to confirm and the second touch to confirm. Then on the third touch, you look for entries on a lower time frame. Then again, you exit where? When it touches the upper band. Not the upper band, sorry. When it touches the upper trend line. I think. Yeah. So let's see gold market. So this was for GBP guys. This was for GBP and we checked before even we closed the meeting. Yeah, I think most of you who were in the meeting yesterday were able to confirm this entry. Yeah, most of you guys were able to confirm this entry. So maybe we can check gold. Let's see what's happening in gold. We can check what's happening in gold. Yeah, let's see what's happening in gold, guys. Let's see what's happening in gold. So gold, we are still on a downtrend market, I think. And also, guys, is so whenever you see this gold, maybe you can check on one time frame. Yeah, the market is on a downtrend, guys. Can someone tell me how can we trade this market? Yeah, how can we trade this market? So just to show you guys, we can mark this point as your first touch, this point as my first touch, and this point as my second touch. Just simple like that. I think I think those 2 points is very, very important. Very, very, very important. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw like this. So this is what is happening currently. This is what is happening currently on our gold market. This is what is happening on gold market. So can someone tell me what am I waiting right now so that I can look for interest for this market? Because currently I've identified this is my first touch and this is my second touch here. So what am I waiting so that I can confirm this as a trade? Yeah. Can someone tell me, guys? Maybe in the comments. Like what am I expecting at the moment? Yeah. We have third touch. Okay, correct. Yeah, let's see maybe another point. Let me see another person maybe. Yeah, thanks for joining yeah, JC. Thanks for joining Derek. Yeah, tell me guys, like what I'm expecting so that I can look for this entry. Lady J, third touch. Okay. MJ, thanks for the follow. Joshua, MSS. Can you confirm to what is MSS? Market structure. Is it market structure? Can you confirm? Just write in full for me so I can get to. Yeah. Yeah, so that I can get to understand. So, by the look of eyes of this market, I am waiting for the third touch. That's simple like that. Just simple like that. So today, gold market I've already analyzed. Today, I've already analyzed market structure shift. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's okay too. I think. So this is on a 1 hour time frame, guys. This is on a. Why are you using a 1 hour time frame instead of H4? Yeah, I've seen. Yeah, Nimangali H4 still on the market is on a downtrend. No, no, no. Go to same battle. So I've just yeah, it's just the same. No, no, because it's just the same. Just the same. No, no, it's just the same. Same market analysis on H4. No, no, same analysis. No, no, imagine this one is H4. This one is on H4 time frame. Money guys, this is an H4 time frame, guys. It is an H4. It is an H4 time frame, guys. Whenever you see this an H4 time frame. So I can just go to a lower time frame, look for interest. Maybe on H1 or H1 or 15 minutes. Just the same. Yeah. Hope you're okay. Hope you're okay. Hope I've answered your question. John James. Yeah, John James. Hope I've answered your question. Okay, hope I've answered your question. Let's see. James, yeah, John James anasema again, Nabona gold imekuwa slow. Yeah. So let me explain why gold is becoming slow right now. So gold is becoming slow right now is because gold right now is being driven by fundamentals. Gold right now is being driven fundamentals by the war in the in the UAE. No, no. So that's why you see gold is not stable. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me see again. Yesterday I made so much money. I have never made such a on a single day. Wow, Don James. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, yeah, Don. So I think maybe you can, Don. Maybe can you request? Maybe I can add you to the. I don't know if I can. Can you tell us which market were you? Can you tell them? Can you tell us, guys? Can you tell us, Don, which market were you able to take? Let me see if I can add you to. Let me see if it, Don James. Wow, Don James, that's really, really, really great. You were able to take a nice. You were able to take a. You were able to take a nice, really, really good trade. That's really amazing. Confirm to me, Don. Which market was this? Which market was it? Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. Let me see. Let me see, guys. Let me see. I'm trying to read the comments. Yes. So this is what we were expecting, guys. This is what we were expecting. I think this is what we were expecting. We are expecting today. This is what we are expecting today on the gold market. I think, guys, this is what we are expecting today on the gold market. Yeah, tell me, guys, which market again can we check together? Which market again can we check together, guys? This is what we're expecting for the market to bounce, then boom, go on a downtrend like this. So this is a GPP. This is a gold USD. Where is you? Okay, can yeah, I'll send you the link, lady. Okay, okay, okay. So guys, can we check which market? Let's check. I think you can. We can check. I think you can check. Can we check Euro JPY? Yeah, we can check Euro JPY. So I told you guys the first thing which you should do, guys, is check on higher time frame. Like see what's happening on higher time frame. Just check what's happening on higher time frame. So from here, maybe I can check on a higher time frame. H4. And for those who are joining us for the first time, you're much welcome. Yeah, just follow me so that you don't miss any of our session every day from 7 a.m. in the morning, guys. From 7 a.m. in the morning, I will always come live. I always come live for the session. Yeah, so just follow me so that you don't miss of our session if you are interested in learning about Trendline. I think, guys. So by the look of this market, can someone tell me like what's happening? What's happening in this market? Can someone tell me like what's happening? Yeah, this market. Let's say from here to here. Because I want to teach you how to analyze. I'm trying to teach you guys how to analyze the market afresh as a beginner. What's happening here currently? Let's say I want to trade here. Maybe I can take a different color. This color is really annoying. This color is really, really annoying, guys. Yeah. Yeah, let me see in the comments. Yeah, what's happening here? What's happening here, guys? What's happening here? Isaac Williams saying consolidation market. Okay, let me see another comment again. Yeah, let me see another comments again. Like, what's happening here? Let's say you are new to trading and you want to start learning how to analyze. The market is consolidating. Yes, legit true. Yeah, good morning, master. Yeah, thanks, Juma. Yeah, let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. It is ranging market, correct? Ah, yeah. So here the market is ranging. And guys, what you can maybe if you are writing down, if you're writing down, when the market is ranging, we don't use trend line, but we use support and resistance. Are you together? I don't know if you're together, guys. When the market is ranging, we use support and resistance to trade. When the market is trending, we are using trend line because it is a trend following indicator. It is a not indicator, it is a trend following line. I think. So here, what I can do here, I can just mark where my support is. Just simple like that. So this market, this is my support. This is my support. And also I can draw my resistance. Yeah, this is my resistance. So this is support one, support. God, let me do a different drawing. You don't need to complicate this thing, guys. Support one, support two here. Then we have support three here. So, and again here we have resistance one. Listen, guys. Yeah, I'm trying to show you, I'm trying to teach you on how to analyze the market afresh. Then again, we have here again. I get it. I get it, guys. Then again, resistance again, another resistance again here. So, can someone tell me, like, if you're trading right now, what could you be looking at? Could you be looking for a sell or buy according to what you are seeing currently in the market? What could you be thinking about right now of this market? Could you be thinking of selling or buying or waiting? Can someone tell me? Yeah, maybe one person in the comments tell me, guys, like, what's happening? Yeah, Morris anasema sell. Yeah, Morris anasema sell, sell. Let me see, guys. Yeah, let me see. Maybe let me see another comment again so that maybe I can show you guys. Uh, Last person maybe to confirm to me, like, what's happening here? Can you be looking to sell or buy or wait? Yeah, I will wait for market to retest, then buy. Okay, that's Lady J. Waiting for a break. Okay, yeah, claim to a different opinion, but everyone has a different opinion. Okay, yeah, all of you mko right tu bado. So kuna mtu hapa anangojea. There's someone hapa anasema there's someone there are 2 points hapa nimepata. There's some people wanangoja breakout. There's some people wanangoja breakout so that they can buy. I see. Then so that they can buy. Then again, kuna wale wanangojea nini? There's some people wanangojea what? Wanangojea retracement so that they can sell. Like me, naweza sema hapo, wote mko sawa tu bado. So here, maybe I can use this different, I can use a different line so that you confuse these things. So these are a support. Then these are the resistance. So what I can tell you here, like what I can tell you guys, what's happening here is here of course wait market retraced to go on a downtrend like this. Then you can wait for the third touch support here to sell. I think this now is the projection of the market of what the market is going to happen. I think so. Here the market is going it will go down here. After the market will go down. Sorry guys, the market will go down here, but the market will go down. But but this was my first touch, my second touch here on the support, the resistance. So I'm waiting for the third touch. I think I'm waiting for the third touch. I'm waiting for my third touch, guys. Here. I'm just waiting for my third touch here so that I can sell. So this is the appropriate area for me to sell. This is an appropriate area for me to sell very, very well. With confidence. Now here I'll be selling with confidence. And the appropriate area to buy is here. I think just simple like that. So today, maybe you can, guys, if maybe you're using a trading view, maybe you can take a picture of this. You can take a picture of this, then gonna be waiting. Yeah, you can take a picture of this, then you're gonna be waiting for the opportunities. Yeah, because this is what I'm expecting currently. Yeah, this is what I'm expecting currently of this market. Yeah, this is what I'm expecting currently. And yeah, just simple like that. So I've just finished analyzing the Euro JPY. So maybe I can lock this drawing here. I can lock it. Yeah, I can lock it like this. Yeah, this one is done, guys. This one I'm done with it. This one I'm done analyzing it. Are you together, guys? I'm done analyzing, guys. Yeah, for those who are joining for the first time, you're much welcome. You're much welcome. Here we normally talk about the market structure. We normally talk about the trend lines. We normally talk about how to be a swing trader and how to be a day trader. So it's all about the trend line, guys. So if you're new, yeah, I always have a session every day at 7 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, so make sure you follow me so that you don't miss any of our session Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. in the morning. 7 a.m. in the morning, you'll find me here and you're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna learn a lot from me, from the trend line strategy, guys, from the trend line and the market structure, guys. So you are on the right group. You are on the right group, guys. You are on the right group. Yeah, just follow me so that every day you be joining me at 7 a.m. in the morning. I think, guys, see what's happening here. Let me see, guys. Let me see, guys. Let me see in the comments. Let me see in the comments. Which market can we check together? Which market can we check together? Yeah, and for those who are interested in my private class, for those who are interested on my private class, yeah, just hit me on my inbox and I'll get to you guys. Okay. Joanna Sema, we check gold. Okay, we can check gold. We can check gold. So guys, what have we said, guys? The first thing you check is on higher time frame. Let's see what's happening on higher time frame. No, no. So let's take gold. So gold is XAUSD, which is here. So let's see what's happening on gold. Let me remove everything. Okay. So when the gold is like this, can someone tell me, is the like is the market like what is the market doing right now? Is the market on a downtrend or ranging or what, guys? Can someone tell me? Like what's happening before they even open trade? Like you must understand like what is the market doing? Like what is the overall view of the market? Is the market on a downtrend long term? Is the market on an uptrend? Okay, Morris anasema downtrend market. Yeah, bearishing. Correct, correct. So if the market yeah inashuka true treasure. So kama market inashuka, guys. If the market is falling down, then you're gonna be looking for this because the market is making lower lows. No, no. So you only look for these 2 points. Just simple like that. Are you able to identify those 2 points? Let me go to the chart so I can show you. So unaweza identify this, unaweza chukua this and this, then you can draw. Or let me go to HO and 15 minutes. Guys, so you can also take this and this as your level so that you can draw the trend line. Yeah, we look for cells. Yeah, we look for cells. So you only look for 2 points so that you can draw the trend line. And I told you guys, there is no right or wrong way of drawing this trend line. There is no right or wrong, guys. You only look for 2 points. You only look for 2 points. Like here, mimi naweza sema si naweza connect this and this like this. I don't know kama mna get, guys. I don't know if you're getting, guys. See, can I connect this and this to be a trend line? That's simple like this. So let me connect. So tumesema, guys, there's no right or wrong. So long as where the market it has pulled back here like this. So you only identify the 2 points so that where you can just draw the trend like this. I think you only identify 2 points, 2 points only, and there's no right to wrong points. I think, guys. So for me, I can draw these 2 points and this point like this. And I've told you guys, there's no right or wrong way. There is no right or wrong way of drawing this trend line. No, no. So today's gold market is, unaona, unaona nimechora guys. So currently, I'm just waiting for this market to touch where? My trend line here. I think guys, touch my trend line. Then, boom, then sell like that. Reason because this is my first touch of bearish. I see here. Then like that. Then also guys, I told you that time, you can also connect this as the triangle like this. Or you can just connect from here. Just simple like that. Yeah, listen guys. Yeah, for those who are joining us for the first time here, we talk about Trendline, guys. We talk about Trendline, how to analyze the market. So my session, I always have every day session at 7 a.m. in the morning. So make sure you follow me so that you don't miss any of my session, guys. So that you don't miss any of my session. Yeah, and also if you are interested in joining my private mentorship, you are interested in joining my private mentorship, you can get me through this number, guys. I do a private mentorship. Yeah, this is my number, guys. If you are interested in joining my private mentorship about trend lines, and guys, if you want to learn the market structure, full market structure, yeah, I teach about the market structure. Yeah, about the market structure. Okay, let's dive in, guys. Okay, let's dive in. Tell me, guys, which market can we check together again? Which market can we check together, guys? Which market can we check together? Yeah, can someone tell me, guys, on the comments? Can someone tell me in the comments, which market can we check together? Which market can we check together? Tell me on the comments there, which market do you want us we analyze? Can we check US 30? Yeah, I think we can check US 30. So let me check US 30. Let me check US 30. I highly blessed anasema we check USD JPY. So let's check USD JPY. Yeah. So guys, let's do together, guys. Yeah, let's do together. So guys, we have said the first thing when you want to analyze this market is check on higher time frame. See what's happening on higher time frame. I think guys, see what's happening on higher time frame. Yeah, GPP respected our trend line yesterday. Yes, true. Guys, someone voice anasema our trend line was respected yesterday. So let me show you. Let me show you before even you go to USD JPY. Let me show you something here. Let me just show you something here. Yesterday, we were able to get a nice trade. So yesterday, so now guys, this was yesterday's, this was before. So let me show you before. Are you seeing before? This was before. This was before yesterday. And you can see it's a GBPSD. This was before. And we predicted this market is gonna buy. How many we were in the meeting yesterday to predict the market? Angapi walikuwa in the meeting? That just say yes, just say yes, just say yes to predict the market yesterday on the together when we were predicting together. Yeah, how many we were in the meeting together, guys? Tomorrow, yesterday, guys. Anasema yes. Most of you, yeah. So we said this market tunangoja aje ikuje mpaka hapa then it sells. Ndio guys, go angalia tu hapa. Let's see together. Let's tuangalie together. Naona to predict the market itakuja hapa. So ili before, then I'm gonna be showing you after. Right now, I'm gonna be showing you after. Tulisema ina predict mpaka hapa inakuja hapa. Aya, let's see after. Ndio hii. What's happening? Naona. So hapo ndio ilikuwa entry. Hapo ndio ilikuwa naingia entry. See what happened. Exactly the same place. Exactly the same place. Ndio hii hapa actually. Ndio hii actually we did the same thing. Naona. Same thing, guys. Angalia, same thing. This was before and this is after. This is after. No. So these things what? So long as you identify, so long as you can understand where to enter, so long as you can understand the market structure, guys. If you can understand the market structure, you have mastered Forex. So long as you have understand the market structure, you have mastered forex, guys. I think, guys. I think, guys. Yeah, that's what I've been telling you guys. I've been telling you guys, if you really want to learn this, if you really want to learn this, like you need to pay the price of trying to learn, try to get, try to learn all the craft, guys. Yeah, and for those who are new, for those who are beginners, just follow me and gonna be learning step by step. Yeah, I would learn the same day. I would learn today the full thing about Trendline. But if you keep watching my videos, like I'm very sure like you're gonna be learning this the craft. And for those who are beginners kabisa, now and you really want a step-by-step way of learning the skill, yeah. If you're a step-by-step of learning the skill, yeah, yeah, I also offer the mentor. I also offer the mentorship session, the private mentorship. I also offer the private mentorship, and for those who want to reach for that number, So these are private mentorship that I offer about trendline and order blocks and liquidity grab. Yeah, so you're able to learn a lot from me about what's going to happen. So guys, let's dive in kwa USDJPY. Yeah, let's dive in kwa USDJPY. So if you are new, guys, you're much welcome. You're in the right group. You wanna be learning this. You're gonna be learning how to master the market fully. Yeah. Aya, let's see, guys. Aya, let's analyze this. Then tutaangalia kesho vile ilienda, si ndio? Aya, let's see, guys. Let's see what's happening. Aya, let's see. What should you do, guys? Tell me in the comments, guys. Like what the first thing as a beginner, let's say you want to analyze the market, what should you do? Let's make this class interactive, guys. Like as a beginner, guys, let's say you have opened this chart and you want to analyze using a trend. The first thing, what should you do? Let's see in the comments. Let me see in the comments. Let me see in the comments. What should you do? Let's say you are new to the market, you have opened your trading view. Let me see, guys. What should you do? Yeah, note the highs, correct. Trees are correct. And also then another thing is check on higher time frame. Check the market on higher time frame so that you can see the bigger picture of the market. Yeah, trend direction, correct. Correct, bestie. Yeah. Yeah, correct. To check on what's going down, up or yes, correct. That's correct. Yeah. So let's do, guys. So this is on higher time frame. So what I can do here, you see what I can do here, guys. You see, here I can mark like this. I can draw like a channel like this. Can see? I can draw like this to be like a channel. Then, are you seeing, guys? I can draw like this. You can identify any point where you want. And also, so you can draw like this. So there's no right or wrong. Guys, there is no right or wrong. I think. So, there's somebody angechukua pia hii. This law. Na connect na yapa. That's what I've been telling you. There's no right or wrong. No. There's no right or wrong of drawing. No. You can connect any point which you want. Yeah, I think, guys. You can connect any point which you want. No. So right now, the market kwa hivi at the moment, of course the market is going uptrend, it's kind of ranging. No. So I think the right entry in which we're gonna be waiting this is we're gonna be waiting this market kuja touch the upper. Then we look for selling up because this is near. This is actually near. Or this market ikuja touch wapi? This low. So we have two opportunities. E-market, if fall down, to give us an entry buy here. Are you seeing? To give us an entry buy here. Buy here. No. Then again, this buy, of course, itapanda juu, si ndio? Are you together, guys? Itapanda juu mpaka wapi? This region. So this region is where you're gonna be looking for sales. You're gonna be looking for sales. I think. Looking for sales, guys. Gonna be looking for sales here. So after umeanalyze hivyo, you can go to a lower time frame, maybe 1 hour time frame, and you check on 1 hour time frame. You can see what's happening on 1 hour time frame. So this is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. So today you have what you can do, you just wait Wait for this market to come down, to come down, to come down to where? To this trend line here. Then, if you get a buy trade here, where should we exit this market? Can someone tell me where are you gonna exit this market? Like where are you gonna exit this market? Where are you gonna exit this market? Like where is your exit point as a trader? Like, you've gotten your entry here on the lower trend line. Like where are you supposed to exit this market? Let me see. Let me see in the comments. Let me see in the comments if you're getting. Yeah, for those who are joining us for the first time, yeah, make sure you follow me, guys, so that you can be joining my session every day at 7 a.m. in the morning. 7 a.m. in the morning, Monday to Friday. You'll be getting me live, guys, Monday to Friday. If you are interested in learning about the trendline strategy. So this is called a trendline strategy. For those who are joining us for the first time today, this is called trendline strategy. Yeah, it is really a nice trade. So here we're not using any indicator. Here we are not using any indicator. We are just using pure price action. We are analyzing what we are seeing in the market. I think. Okay, Lady Jane Asema on the upper trend line. Let me see maybe another person, maybe. Let me see another person. Let me see another person again. Yeah. Where should we exit this market? As a trader. Now you understand the market structure. Where should we exit the market? Let me see. Let me see another point. Another person to give us a point. Yeah, where should we exit this market? Let me see. Let me see again. Okay, let me just conclude from Lady J. Lady J Nasema, yeah. The reason why I'm telling you we should exit around 8 here, and we look for buying selling opportunities again. So to kiss upper, we're looking for selling opportunities because this is my first touch, my second touch, and this is my third touch. So I'm expecting this market to fall down from here. I think, guys, I'm expecting this market to fall down like that. And this is how the market moves. Guys, this is how the market moves in the forex market. No. This is how market now move. So 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 market, it doesn't move like guessing. Market doesn't move like anywhere, like just like a random. No. It moves with supply and demand. Not, guys, it moves where. So as a trader, guys, you need to understand where is the demand zone and where is the supply zone. So here I can say it's a demand zone, and here I can say it's a supply zone where traders are looking for selling opportunities. I think, guys, are you getting, guys, what's happening? Yeah, this is how you master the forex. But then, if you can master this, like you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade gold, you can trade Nasdaq, you can trade the stock market. Like you have all the skills. Yeah. Yeah, I always tell some people like it's better to learn the market structure than to learn indicators. Let me just tell you, open the truth, guys. Indicator inakuanga late. The indicator inakupea confirmation late. But when you learn the market structure, it gives you exactly gives you exactly where buyers are intending to buy. I think it gives you where buyers are intending to buy. Exactly where buyers are intending to buy. So, guys, do you narrow down to a smaller time frame after marking long? Yeah, correct. That's a nice question. So none of them mark hivi. So I'll be waiting on a 1 hour time frame. Ikuje. Then the moment this market is gonna touch here on 1 hour time frame, then I'll go to 15 minutes time frame to look for entries. No. 15 minutes you look for entries. No. I will go to a lower time frame to look for entries. And the reason why I'm gonna be looking for to go to a lower time frame for entry is because of the stop loss. when you enter, guys, when you enter on a lower time frame, you get a tight stop loss. Are you getting, guys? You get a tight stop loss. When you enter on a lower time frame, you get a tight stop loss. But when you enter with a higher time frame, you tend to enter the market with a big stop loss. No. So that's the benefit. So that's the benefit, guys. That's the benefit. Okay, so we have done with analyzing the USD JPY, guys. So maybe you can take a picture of this. You can take a picture of this. Then maybe you can draw it on your own. I think, guys, you can draw it on your own. Yeah, that's how you learn. You take a picture, then you go and you open. So this platform is called a trading view. So this trading view, guys, is free. This trading view is free. You just sign in with Google. Just sign in with your Google account. I think, guys, just sign in with your Google account. Okay, so let's go to Euro USD. Nyamba nasema we check Euro USD, guys. Let's check Euro USD. Yeah, just sign in with Google. Yeah, let's go to Euro USD. Guys, can someone tell me like what's happening here? Let me remove everything. Yeah, what's happening? Check on a higher time frame first. Then you check what's happening on the market here. Yeah, let's say from here. Can someone tell me like from here? Like what's happening from here? Like you need to understand. This is how you master the market, guys. This is how you master the market. There's no way you can master the market. And let me see. Can someone tell me what's happening here? What's happening here? Is the market making high highs on uptrend, or what's happening? Or what? Or what's or for example, what are you expecting in this market? Someone is saying consolidation. Okay, yeah, different. You have different opinions. Okay, uptrend. Nyamba is uptrend. Okay, okay. Let's do this. This market is making higher low. No, no. Unaona hii. So this one you can the only way you can do this unaweza chora tu trend line. Easy to like this. You can connect this. I think guys, you can connect this and this like this. Just simple like that. Just we have done. You're just finished. So this is my first touch. This is my first touch here. And this is my second touch here, guys. This is my second touch here. So what am I expecting next? Let me see in the comments. What am I expecting? Yeah, uptrend, higher low. Yes, true. Yeah, true. Highly blessed. Very, very true. Yeah, let me see, guys. Market is marking higher low. Yeah. Oh, let me see. Let me see, guys. Let me see. Like, like, for example, you want to this market to trade. What are you expecting? What is your expectation? Like, what is your expectation? Like, are you looking for to buy at what point? Let me see in the comments, guys. Yeah, let me see. Like, where are you expecting to buy this market? Of course, the trend line is sloping uptrend. Can see? To mean we're expecting a buy trend. But where exactly are we going to be looking for entries for this market? Now here, of course, we have our first touch. We have our first touch here. Then we have our second touch here. So what is your next expectation on demand? Yes, wait for the third touch, the confirmation. Yeah, Christian. Yeah, very, very true. Okay, Morris on the demand zone. Okay, that's correct. That's correct. Waiting for the buy on the trend line. Correct. All of us are correct, guys. Are you together? All of us are correct. But sometimes you need to wait. Yeah, unaona, sometimes you need to wait. Paka sometimes unaweza give up sometimes. Sometimes unaweza give up kungoja. But guys, let me tell you, in this trend line, you only trade 10% of the time. 90% of the time you wait, you wait. Imagine kama hii sasa unangoja leo ikuje mpaka hapa. You'll have to wait. But when you get an entry, even you can hold that trade as swing trade. Yeah, sometimes you can hold that trade as swing trade. If, for example, there's a hold, I think, guys, yeah, sometimes just wait. Don't rush. Because why do you rush? Just hold, just wait for the opportunities. Wait, 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 wait. I think, guys, do it for the opportunities to come to you, the market to come. So, guys, what you do as a trader, you need to wait for the market to come to you. Don't chase the market. Most traders wanna chase gold because of the fear of missing out. Mtu anasema, guys, go the market, I'll miss that trade. Even the market has not confirmed, but for you, you have that mentality of, oh, I'm gonna miss that trade. So in the market, we have limitless opportunities in the market. Opportunities in the market are like trains. It will always come. So don't feel like you are missing out. No, no. Don't don't feel like you're missing out. Never feel like I'm missing out. No, 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 no. Don't feel like that. Don't feel like you're missing out. What is the best time to trade? The best time to trade, it depends with the market you want to trade. Like gold, the best time to trade there is during the best time to trade gold is Asian market and also during the New York market. Yeah, and also London works well. And also London works well. So it depends with the type of trader which you want. Because guys, as a trader, as a trader, guys, as a trader, as a trader, we have three types of session. Three types of session as a trader. Yeah, we have three main types of session. So this session, it opens at different times of the day. This three session, it opens at different times of the day. So it depends with your schedule. No, no, it depends with your schedule. So let's say guys, let's say you are working 9 to 5 job. Let's say we are working from 9 to 5. Let's say like job yako iko very fixed sana. So what I can advise you is because London in opening 10 a.m. London in open 10 a.m. guys. In open 10 a.m. So in is for someone maybe like ako free another trade, unaona? Mpaka 7 p.m. Around mpaka 7 p.m. huko. Then we have New York. In New York unaweza trade from 3 p.m. So kama for example I think most people wanakuanga mostly people wanakuanga employed or working 9 to 5 job, this market is working sana for them. New York. Yeah, New York really works for you guys. Because now 3 p.m. ndio unapata most people wanaenda home, 4 p.m. wamefika kwa hao. Now they are checking the market or maybe by 3 p.m. wako free, mostly they are free so they can trade. No, no. Maybe during the morning hours your job iko so help to you like you can't even trade, you can't even open the chart. So the best market you can trade for you if in the morning during the day uko so much busy is you can trade in London, New York. Nasikia? Nasikia guys? Yeah, we can trade New York market. It's really a good market. Yeah, yeah. The problem with New York market is it is because it has got more news for market. Hey, iko more news. You see market ina react sana na the war. What's happening in US and Iran. So most of the times inapatanga like big candles during the day, during the week, during the 3 p.m. I think guys. Yeah. So we have done, guys, we have done analyzing and also you can draw even a channel. You can draw a channel, guys, like this. No, no. So this channel is gonna help me to know where to exit. Tipi yangu ndaweka wapi? Ndio mtu anajiulizanga like where, like hii market tipi yangu ndachukua wapi tipi? Like where am I getting my tipi? Where will I close my tipi? So this market kwanza itabai mpaka wapi? Good. So this is where I'm gonna exit. No, no. Third line. I think guys, that is where I'm gonna exit this market. I think ikitouch pale juu. Like same thing that happened yesterday, you can see, yeah? Same thing that happened yesterday hapa. Market ikija hapa ikatouch ika reverse. The same thing. Yeah, that is the reversal region, guys. That is now the reversal region. Yeah, that is now the reversal region. Okay, which market can we check again, guys? On the comments, guys, which market can you check again? So what you do, guys, you unaweza chora and then you wait. The moment market itakuja on H4 itach hapa, then you can go to 15 minutes time frame. You go to 15 minutes time frame, you look for entries on 15 minutes time frame. I see, guys. So don't enter on a higher time frame, guys. Go to a lower time frame, look for entries on a lower time frame. You're gonna be getting bullish engulfing or hammer. Then get that entry. Are you together, guys? Are you together at that point? Okay, tell me, guys, which market can we check it again together? Yeah, just type on the comments which market we check together. Yeah, just comment on the comments. Yeah, yeah. And for those who want the my private class, this is my private class. So if you want my private class, I offer a 30 days session. I offer 30 days mentorship. So if you are interested, guys, yeah, just hit me, and I'm gonna arrange your class. How do we save the drawing? How do you save the drawing? You save the drawing by here. by looking here. Are you seeing this here, Lady J? Are you seeing this as kind of like a padlock here? Are you seeing it's kind of like a padlock here? Are you seeing that padlock here? That's where you lock. So when you lock it like that, e drawing haitaipotea. Even if you close your computer, even if you close this chat, when you open back, it will just be there. So each chat will never disappear until when I'll come and unlock here. I think. Let me see. What if instant the market breaks below and trend line or even above? When it breaks above or below, that is the change of trend. Let me show you what happened on gold. Before we go to which market someone was saying we analyze gold. Let's go to gold. At least I show you guys. Let me show you guys. Sometimes in a break, yeah, sometimes it breaks. So if you break, there is a change of trend. Just know there's a change of trend. Come in market, let me show you. This market on gold, this market of gold it has been on an uptrend for a very, very long time. You can see this market of gold, it has been on uptrend for a very, very, very long time. This was my first touch, second touch, then my first touch, second touch here. You can see this is my first touch here, my second touch here, then my third touch, which was around here. Then again, this market, see what happened. See what happened. Ili break, then ikachora the structure. Naona. Kachora the structure hapa. Angalia what happened. Break structure. So what happens when this market breaks this structure? So guys, so this structure which I've drawn here, the lower trend line, it will always act as a support in the market. It will always act as a support. I think it will always act as a support in the market. So when it breaks, just know that is the end of the uptrend market. Are you together, guys? That is the end of the uptrend market. So what should you be looking? You should be looking for a selling opportunities. Now you can see I've already identified my lower market is now the market is making lower loss. So what I'm going to be waiting right now, because the market is already in a break structure, then I'm going to be waiting for this market to come up where? To where my third touch is, because this is my first touch here, second touch for sell, then it can break. So what I'm going to be waiting is waiting for this market to touch where? Then what I can do, then what am I going to do? I'm going to be doing this as a swing trade. Itafanya swing trade by there. Itafanya swing trade. Because this is on a higher time frame already. I think. Then in market, I'm going to exit where? Previous low. I'm going to exit anywhere previous low here. Nikiingia trade na exit around this region. Because it reverse to no. I'm going to exit at the previous low. So T entry ni hapa. So I can do a swing trade or I can do a short term. It depends. So that's what I've been telling you guys. Each trend line, you can trade, you can if you can master this trend line, you can decide to be, if you want to be a swing trader, you can decide if you want to be a day trader. So it depends with you. I think guys, depends with you guys. Yeah, it depends. It depends with what you want. Like, do you want to be a swing trader? It's okay. If you want to be a swing trader, you're gonna be watching this on a lower time frame, because there's a lot of pips on gold. Can see? There's a lot of pips on gold, guys. Angalia ni pips ngapi kwa gold? Can someone tell me that's how many pips on gold? That's how many pips? How many pips? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Is it 9,000 pips? Is it is it 9,000 pips? Okay, kind of 9,000 pips. Unaona? So where can you be holding 9,000 pips? Come on, you don't know the trend of the market. But if you can understand the structure and the trend of the market, you can easily trade the market. Because unajua nikiingia hapa, market, if this market is gonna touch here, if this market is gonna touch my trend here, then close with the red candle, then immediately I will go to a lower time frame to look for confirmation entries. I will go to 15 minutes time frame to look for a bearish engulfing or a shooting star to sell my market? I think, guys, just simple like that. Yeah. So I think I've answered your question. But someone was telling me, what if the trend line breaks? I think I've answered your question. Yeah, I think I've answered your question. So when it breaks, just know that is the change of trend. So I'm not gonna be looking again for buy. No, no. Again, I'm not. I'm gonna not again. I'm not gonna be looking for buys again. When it breaks, that is the end of the downtrend. That is the end of the uptrend. So I'm gonna be looking for again a sell trend again. Sell trend, sell trend. Okay. Nyambo anasema let me see Nyambo anasema after putting SL and TP, do you break even or just quit? So it's like this, guys. So what you do, guys, when the market goes 1 to 2, let's say your stop loss is 100 pips, the market made around uh, at least 300 pips. When it's a break even. But what I can insist, guys, is just wait for the market to hit your TP. Yeah, don't close early, don't break even. Sometimes break even in affect trades. The market might retrace, the market might retrace back, the market might retrace back and goes down. I see, guys. So don't don't I think what you can do is just know where your TP is. Like for example, if my TP is here, I'm gonna just be waiting. But maybe the break even trade yangu hapa. The break even ikifika maybe around this one, the break even, then I will hold that trade. Because right now I'll have a peace of mind. Because I understand if this market even if it reverse, doesn't have a problem to me because I've already break even the trade. Maybe with a small profit. Aya, Lady J anasema Chosh, let me see. Yeah, guys, if you're new, guys, make sure you follow me, guys, so that you can be joining my session every day at 7 a.m. in the morning. At 7 a.m. in the morning, I will be joining my session. Yeah, and for those who are new, kama ni beginner, si kama unaget aje. Kama ni beginner kabisa na unataka fresh start ya class, up to advanced, girl, up to advanced. Or for example, you have been trading and you have not been seeing consistency in your trading. I think what you can do is I can offer you my private class, my private mentorship, which I'm gonna help you, to become a consistent. I'm gonna help you to become a consistent, profitable trader. So just hit me if you want to take your journey to the next level. Let's say you've been trading for a while, you're not seeing consistency, and you don't know what's the problem. Maybe it's a risk management, or maybe what's the problem. Maybe I can help you. I can guide you to help you to break that gap of what is making you to not to become a consistent profitable trader. And maybe it's just a risk management. Maybe you are struggling, maybe you have mastered this forex, but the problem is risk management. So maybe for yourself, you'll never understand. But maybe I can maybe spot to you, maybe I can tell you, maybe the problem is this one, and I can help you to trade, I can help you to become a consistent profitable trader. So let me see from George. George anasema you are talking about 75 meeting unasema ni leo 75, which 75, can you tell me? Yeah, Wesi anasema can you analyze gold on a lower time frame? So let me check gold on gold. Yeah, guys. Yeah, this is my number, guys. If you want to in touch with me, guys, this is my number. Just text me and or call me, and then we're gonna be in touch with you guys. I'm gonna help you. Okay, let me go to amesema ni analyze gold kwa 50 kwa lower time frame. So lower time frame gold. To agree, guys. In 15 minutes, guys. Can someone tell me, like, guys, see me clear, guys. Can someone tell me, guys? Kuna mtu anaweza shindwa hapa kuchora trend line hapa vile iko sahihi. Like, what's happening? What's happening in the market right now? Is the market on a downtrend or on an uptrend? Thank you so much, Anthony. Thank you so much, Anthony. Like, guys, what's happening? Hii guys, naona yeah, downtrend. George anasema downtrend. Hii guys, this one is very very easy. So what I'm gonna do is mimi na mark tu na hii. I can mark. So nimesema hakuna right or wrong. Unaweza mark this and this. I see, guys. Are you together, guys, at that point? Are we together up to that point, guys? No, no, in my mark. So in my mark exactly. Are you together, guys? So what am I expecting on the market? Yeah, let me see in the comments, like, where should you sell this market? On the comments. Let's see, guys. Yeah. Let me see in the comments, guys. Like, where should you sell this market? Like, where should you sell this market now? Pia unaweza chora hivi. Pia you can draw like this. So I want to show you guys that there is no right or wrong way to draw, so long as you identify your points correctly. Naona kuna mtu anachora hivi. Uko sawa uko sawa. Mbona that's the same. Eh, you are just okay. Then you connect the lower train like this. Naona? So there's no right or wrong of drawing this. Naona vile nimechora. Haya, kuna mwingine mimi atakuja aseme, acha nichore na ni connect hizi mbili peke yake. Yeah, kwa sawa. Kuna problem. So long as the market is making lower lows, we're looking for a downtrend. So maybe today utakuja uchore hivi. Utajiambia like, oh, so let me look for this market to come and touch my third touch here so that I can sell. You are right. You are very, very right. You are very, very right. You are very, very right. No, no. Very, very right. Just simple like that. Yeah. This thing is easy, guys. This thing is so easy. But you need to understand the craft first. You need to understand the context of the market. Ukiopen chart yako hivi, you need to identify these touches. Unaona kama hizi. You need to identify this. Like for example here, unaona? Let's say this is an uptrend market. A downtrend market, una market ina move hivi. An uptrend market ina move hivi. So, are you able to identify these 2 points on the market so that you can draw? No, no. Are you able to identify those 2 points? Because that is the main thing which you need to understand if you want to become a consistent, profitable trader, guys. I think, guys, if you really want to understand, to become a consistent, profitable trader, some of the common things which you need to understand. So you can also analyze the market with a lower time frame. Correct, yeah. That's what I told you guys. If you want to analyze on a lower time frame, that's correct. You can see I've analyzed on which time frame? 15 minutes. Yeah, I've just analyzed on 15 minutes time frame and nimepata entry. But because for me, mi napendanga ku hold trade for long. Napendanga ku hold trade maybe for 2 to 3 days ama 4 days. So normally naendanga kwa time frame. So that I capture maybe around 3,000 pips for gold. So I can go to a lower time frame. I can go to a lower time frame, maybe to I can go to a higher time frame, maybe after entry. But if I want to be a short-term trader, I can just use 15 minutes time frame. No problem. I can only use 15 minutes time frame if I want to be a short-term trader. So it's not a must like, oh, you go to a higher time frame daily. No, no, no. But when you but let me tell you the advantage of analyzing on a higher time frame. And the importance of analyzing on higher time frame is most of the trades will be highly profitable trade. Most of the trades will be profitable, will be highly profitable. I think, guys, yeah. But also you can get a good confirmation on a lower time frame. Yeah, something like that. Or for example, you want to swing that trade. You can go to a higher time frame, you check the overview of the market, then you sell. Kama mimi nikisell hapa sahi, nikisell this market hapa, siwezi toka hii trade, nitafanya swing trade because already on a longer time frame, it's a sell. On a higher time frame, it's a sell. No, no. This is on a longer time frame. It's a sell. So overall, I'm on a lower time frame. So, but I want to capture the mean trends, the medium trends. We normally call the medium trends of the market. High time frame gives the overall clear of the direction. Yes, Wanjohi. True. Very correct. Yeah, very, very correct, guys. Very, very correct. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys. Thanks for those who have been joining my session every day. Thanks for those who have been joining my session or every day, guys. So we are about to finish our session. Yeah, guys. If you're new, guys, don't be left behind, guys. Don't be left behind. Yeah. So just follow me so that TikTok gonna alert you every time as I go live at 7 a.m. in the morning, guys. At 7 in the morning, I always go live. Yeah, I'm going to go live for live. Are you together, guys? Yeah, for those, guys, for those, so we are finishing, guys. We are finishing. Yeah, for those who are interested in joining my session in my private class, maybe you like you want a one-on-one. And also if you are in Nairobi, and you wanna meet me, just hit me. If you are in Nairobi, you wanna hit me, maybe with yeah, recommend a profam. Yeah, profam tulisema profam, guys. Tulisema profam ni FTMO ama 5 science. FTMO ama 5 science. I have four my four students of my private class who are on right now, they are in program right now. Walimaliza session, tulimaliza session now. Tulimaliza session, then wakamaliza session, then nikawaguide, nikawabaya program. We bought a program together, and right now one of them wako 5% phase 1, hiyo mwingine ako phase 2 na 1%, hiyo mwingine ako phase 2 1%. So it helps you guys, yeah, it helps you. So ndakusaidia pia trade program pia, ndakusaidia pia on helping you to trade even the program. Yeah, so it's really benefit guys, really benefit. I really benefit guys, can really help you to learn. Yeah, FTMO and 5 sires. 5 sires. Ukibuy ingine mi sijui sasa. Yeah, are you together guys? Ukibuy zingine I don't know the other one. So which broker should you use? Yeah, when you unataka pia the right broker on the link of my bio. Unaenda kwa link on my bio guys. Enda tu kwa bio yangu kama una broker yote. If you want a good broker ya swing trade, if you want a real broker yenye uweze kucharge hizo maswap. Kuna broker ingine like kuna broker ingine like ukihold trades zao weekend unapata wamekucharge some commissions. A lot of commission bako unashangaa. Yeah, but the broker that I'm trading right now, I've been trading with it for the last 3 years. So pia kwa kufanya scalping iko poa pia with it, and also it gives an opportunity to trade even the crypto market. Yeah. So the link on my bio guys, if you really want a nice broker. Kama broker yako ile maybe withdraw capital in take some hours. Yeah, mine is instant. Yeah. Hapa sana instant because for me I'm using an international broker. Yeah, I'm using an international broker. I'm not using a regional broker. It's an international broker guys. Alright guys, can we call it a session guys? Then we meet again next session guys. Yeah. So guys, if you're in Nairobi, you wanna meet me, yeah, just hit me, that's my number. And also if you really want to master forex ile inside out, unaona ile inside out in 3 weeks, in 4 weeks, master it. You're gonna master it guys. You're gonna master it. You're gonna master it fully. You're gonna master it fully guys. Are you seeing guys? Yeah. Yeah, I'll give you value. Guys. Yeah, I think I can see Trader Kim. There. Guys, if you also guys if come on to learn about fundamentals, yeah, Trader Kim is really special on that. Really special on the fundamentals part of the market. Yeah, you can follow him to learn about more about the fundamentals. Are you guys? Can we create a session, guys? We have just finished the session, guys. We have just finished our session, guys. Yeah. So, guys, we can create a session, guys. Yeah. We can create a session. Yeah. And also, we are planning to have an event. Also, we're planning to have an event in Nairobi very soon. I'll be informing you, guys. Yeah. So, guys, see you guys next time. See you guys on the next session, guys. See you on the next session, guys. Bye, guys. See you, guys.